Hi everyone, this is Dr. Naveen, the founder of Medialens Private Limited. It's an Indian healthcare company which is looking to solve the problems the people are facing in our country, especially the laziness related problem that is called the lifestyle diseases. So that is called fashionably. Indian healthcare sector alone would be whooping $133.4 billion market, that is in Indian rupees it is 8.6 trillion. So by the end of 2022, and so looking forward to join hands with the right investor with a common mindset for the mission to beat the laziness and reap the fruits in the future. I, being a medical professional since 10 long years, working in a diagnostic field with my co founder, Dr. Suresh, an academician, as well as an entrepreneur, as well as an author in the field of dentistry, and the list goes on for the credibility for who we are, where we are today, and where we are heading towards tomorrow, for what we should see later. We would love to give the glimpse of the real world jalak in healthcare in front of your eyes. There is significant social change and impact due to alarming rise in lifestyle diseases in the recent years. It's about whooping 40 to 50% in our own country, which is an indicator of how well we are going. Our birth date is not exact age of our body anymore, as biological age is fast racing in the way of our body organs are functioning. 30% tests are done are unnecessary. 30% treatments done are unnecessary. It's not just about the cost, but the amount of financial and psychological trauma that people are facing cannot be neglected. So we hereby suggest to pump in finances that we are spending to treat the sick, roughly 20%, to divert it to 80% of the people to prevent the disease itself with scientifically proven integrated methods, and thus new world order for health can begin. So if SOP stats can be taken into consideration, 3 billion blood sugar tests are done every year, 3 billion blood pressure tests every year, 2 billion urine routine, 2 billion hemoglobin, 250 million hospital visits, 2.5 million hospitalization, 5 to 6 billion syringes, finally countless dialysis because of the end stage renal disease. Totally the cost is coming up to 0.8% of our GDP. That's roughly 2 lakh crore. Sadly, our total GDP in health itself is 1.8%. So our motto is to create an affordable, reliable and quality preventive healthcare in our country. So we have by got into multiple package of health, example a subscription model for rupees 499 to provide the analysis on their health with non-invasive tests and a free consultation. So if we target the IT sector market in Bangalore, even if 1% join people, that means out of 1.15 lakh people, 1% joined, it's some roughly around 15,000. That roughly generates 75 lakhs. The lots to deliver further. So crores are the next pit stop for us before we reach the billions. So with such a humongous opportunity to capitalize, we are looking to raise 10 crores in the angel round for an equity of 15% in our company to procure advanced equipments and scale up the business. Our concept is different from gym and slimming center, as it's handled completely from first step to the last step by healthcare professionals, as we believe in a policy: fool with a tool is always a fool. I think you can understand the point where I mentioned it. Our first target customer base is everyone's favorite sedentary bunch of people. It's IT sector, 1.5 million people in Bangalore and 4.5 million all over India, as our lifetime partners in our journey to make India more productive. We'll carry them along with us to reach out to the masses, as we know the power of an engineer not because of degree but because easily available on each road. Just joking. In our city, as like I've been brought up in Bangalore, I know this better. In our city there was once a dialogue, and even now it exists: if you eat a stone in Bangalore, it either eat a dog or an engineer. Hope you got the point. Yet to complete, even doctors were the same in Davangere. but slightly changed version. If you eat a stone in Davangere, it'll either eat a PG or a pig. So the PG means postgraduate doctor. So as always, doctors, engineers are the dreams of many parents even today. We rock, right? At least until we are inside our college campus. That's the point. So, leaving all this humor aside, we would like to conclude by saying we would like to be pioneers in the preventive healthcare in India, as our name says, align for the good cause in medical field. In the next 5 years, we want to work with investors who like to join the mission building a society which is free of lifestyle diseases. We are planning to use the funds efficiently, that is, procuring equipment, build an effective team, app development for outreach, digital marketing, and scale up our business as well. As more and more lives are changed, we'll start generating good ROI. I sincerely thank from the bottom of my heart for giving the opportunity to present my business, and I'm happy to take up questions.